48. Please welcome Elephants. Entry 348.
If the elephants have past lives, yet are destined to always remember, it's no wonder how they scream. Like you and I, they must have some temper, and I am dreaming of them on the plains, dirtying up their bed, watching for some sign of rain to cool their hot heads. And how dare that you say you'll call when you know I need some peace of mind. If you have to take sides with the animals, won't you do it with one who is calm? If the hawks in the trees need the dead, if you're living you don't stand a chance. You can flee with your wounds just in time. Lie there as he feels, watching yourself ripped to shreds, laughing as you bleed. So for those of you falling in love, keep it kind, keep it good, keep it right. Throw yourself in the midst of danger, but keep one eye